Speaking of shoulder pains and everything, yeah, please stretch, everybody. Like once every 30 minutes, especially if you're like me, streaming Minecraft. You know, I get too excited catching axolotls and I forget to, you know, I forget to stretch. That's just how it is sometimes. But now that I remember, let's stretch. Okay, ooh, just in time. Ow. I don't know if that made a noise. Like, if I lift my arm... If I lift my arm, like, it makes a... kind of weird sensation. Kind of like a muscle. What the... Do you hear this? Oh my god, what is this? Eh? What is wrong with my back? Ow. I think I'm gonna stop doing that. I'm scared. I just keep doing like the same movement. And then it keeps like making these noises. Ow. Back pain ASMR. See? This is the rainy content you will get.